Shout out guys, another tutorial with Capo version, Elijah Woods. Ang title ay 24/7 365 with Capo version. So, first of all, first fret, second fret Capo. Okay? Lagay natin second fret Capo. Then again, 4 chords only for the whole song. Okay? So, these are the chords. Please follow me. Second fret Capo. E, simple E. And then the second chord ay isang B. And the third chord ay dito 4th fret, C sharp minor. And then the last chord ay A. Okay? And then again E, B, C sharp minor, and then A. And then string pattern ay down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down. Let's play. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, down, okay? Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So, yan lang guys, 4 chords only and string pattern with Capo version, second fret ang Capo. Dito ma-tutorials yung sa mga na-uploads. Bye bye na guys.